We made it to Spanish Banks.
No trip to Vancouver is complete without a trip to Spanish Banks. Spanish Banks are a series of beaches located along the shores of English Bay in the West Point Grey neighborhood. It is best known for its low-tide flats.
So I can take Exion to see the low tide. And we can walk all the way down.
So excited.
So let's go. We gotta walk further down. Are you excited to see the beach? You get to walk way far out.
Yep. What is this place? So worth visiting. There's downtown Vancouver. You see far off in the distance. Seaplane, ships, a beach, people playing frisbee. Look at that. So they have these logs here, perfectly positioned to take your shoes off.
Alrighty. Woo, the sun is cold.
Yeah. Welcome back to day 4 of our Canadian adventure in Vancouver. And today we are at Spanish Banks.
The tide is out, so we can walk all the way down, able to touch a boat.
Let's go touch a boat. This sand is cold. Ooh, cold.
All the way down there. Let's go to the farthest we can go. Can you do this in LA?
I don't think so.
Look, there's a crab.
Is it alive?
Oh, it looks dead. Squishy.
This water is actually kind of warm. It's really weird how there's parts of the sand that's really warm and then some parts of it is just cold. But for the most part, it's not as cold as I thought it would be. These little ridges on the ground,
It's from the waves.
you can see where the water has receded. Look how far we're going out. Look, some guy over there is dragging his boat.
Yeah,
Oh.
look how close he can get.
The water is really clear too. They're looking for food. Oh, one of them just pooped. You see that? We scared him shitless.
We would have been underwater by now.
Yeah, so what time does the water start coming up?
I don't think until like the afternoon. 2, 3-ish, I think it's like high.
It's like walking on Play-Doh. This sand is really good for sand casting. Like really squishy sand. Oh, there's another crab. Watch out.
Oh, the leg's
There's
gone.
like a bunch of dead crabs around.
What are you guys looking for? We're getting close to the ocean now. The tide is less than a meter out today. So this is the best time to check out the beach. What do you think so far? What did you encounter?
Pretty cool. Hey, I can make a wig. Like hair. We're getting close to this buoy. On the height of low tide, you can walk out and touch it. Maybe about 30 minutes ago, we would have been able to touch it.
Look how far we are.
So the beach is way over there. We're actually walking on the sea floor and there's a bunch of dogs playing around. Isn't that cool? All of these doggies. Cecilia says she can go up there and touch it. Yeah. These dogs are getting their exercise.
Alright, I guess this is as far as we can go.
Look how close we are to the buoy and the ships. Yeah, look at that. All right, let's go touch this thing.
No, the tide started to come in. The tide started to come in. Yeah, be very careful. I think the water's like, when it changes color, it's deep.
Whoa, it's getting colder.
I know. Just stop there. Just don't go farther. No.
Go farther.
No. The tide's coming in. Just stop. Stop.
really cold over there, and then right here is just like lukewarm
Tides start to
temperatures.
come in, so
Yeah.
don't go. I am not rescuing
Yeah,
you.
it was like coming up to my knees. We could risk it all, but
Let's
no,
go.
we're not going to. 30 minutes later, we are finally reaching the beach. At night, this is all underwater. It's like really muddy, murky water. All right, let's rinse our feet off here. Turn the water on. Oh.
At around 3 p.m., it was time to check into our hotel.
This is our room, the Hampton Inn in Vancouver, downtown. So I'm on the 6th floor. And this is my view from the 6th floor. Let's take a look out on this view. So this looks like the west side. And there's the stadium. Isn't that cool? Check out the bathroom. Shower.
Let's go out and explore now.
It's coming.
We are at Gastown now, and we're gonna go take a look at the steam clock. Is this where the famous people hang out?
Sure.
Sure. Check out this car. Pace car. Check out this piece of art. We're coming up to the steam clock, and there's a bunch of maple product, Canadian souvenirs. This is kind of like Hollywood in a way.
Look at souvenirs.
Yeah.
Clock's not gonna
Let's
ring for another.
check out the souvenir shop.
Look at the funny shirts. When this virus is over, I still want some of you to stay away from me.
It's funny. All the maple syrup you want right here. Oh, they even got maple coffee. These giant ones. It's $43.99.
You don't need that.
That is huge. How much is this? It looks like alcohol. Hello, Mr. Moose. That hiking guidelines, surviving a bear attack. Make sure you are faster than one person in your group.
Wait, they want $29 for that? Ooh, Exion. Looks like a bunch of expensive rocks glued together.
Got a couple of things, some candy, and we're gonna take a look at the steam clock now.
You said that like for the last 5 minutes.
Oh yeah. We keep getting derailed.
The steam clock was designed and built by horologist and clockmaker Raymond Saunders. It was built in 1977 as a decorative cover to cover a steam grate. Vancouver's steam heating system that is distributed beneath the city is what is powering the steam clock. The steam powers the steam engine in its base, in turn driving a chain lift. The chain lift moves the steel balls upward where they are unloaded and rolled to a descending chain. The weight of the balls drives a conventional pendulum clock escapement geared to the hands on the four faces. The steam also powers the whistles that play Westminster quarters.
So this clock's gonna go off in about 2 minutes. As you can see, this is quite a tourist attraction. 6:30. anytime now. How is that?
Cool. So yeah, on the hour is longer.
So every hour there's a long one that goes off. That was kind of a short one.
So what do you want to do now?
Let's go to the other place. Hey, what is that building up there in the sky?
The harbor center.
You can go up there and look at the glass.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. A lot of cool stuff. Gifts and things. Momo sushi. We're coming up to a restaurant called The Rogue. We're coming up to the Mounted Police retail store. Ooh. That looks cool. There's a sea bus out there.
Yeah, so there's where they put, that's where you dock over there. It takes you 15 minutes to get over.
Next up, Canada Place. Isn't this similar to the Chicago Pier?
Similar, yeah. That's where the ship docks.
Oh, look, a bear. We're heading to our next destination, which is a restaurant. So we're going to be eating with a group of friends.
So that concludes day 7 of our Canada adventure in Vancouver. Follow us in our next video where we take a bike ride around Stanley Park. You don't want to miss it.
Where we are going to walk out into the sand and onto this beach. Oh,
Okay.
yep. All right, now get out of that. You could build a giant sand castle out here.
Sand castle.
Like even the grass hurts. This hurts. Oh. Ow. Oh. Ah. It's like you need flip-flops. Ah.
You need to go to the bathroom?
Oh, yeah, sure. What's your favorite thing about this place?
The cloth, that's the famous thing.
All right, we gotta go, Don't get ran over. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Don't miss out on our other adventures. We flew from LA to Bellingham, and once we got there, we tried local food, met up with our friends, and did all the things that tourists would do in Vancouver.
Heading for gold.
So sit back and relax and follow us in another video. We'll see you there.
Check this out.
You'll be crazy not to put this on YouTube.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.